Welcome to another installment of Thread Talks by Needlepoint.com. In this video, we will be showcasing the popular and versatile thread brand Silken Ivory. Silken Ivory is a 50% wool, 50% silk blended thread made in Switzerland. It comes in over 244 colors and leaves a soft sheen when stitched into the canvas. Silken Ivory is great because it can be used on 18 or 13 count canvas, depending on the tension that you use while stitching. That being said, Silken Ivory is a popular thread for stitching on larger count canvas because of the coverage that it provides and its durability. This is especially apparent on pillows, like the one featured in our 9 Bunnies kit shown here. Because Silken Ivory is made up of wool and silk, it's durable enough to be stitched into pillows and large projects like trays. The silk in the thread, however, allows for a soft sheen to be seen when it's stitched in different projects. We also love the way that Silken Ivory looks when stitched into eyeglass cases, like you can see here on the Peacock Topiary case. If you love stitching eyeglass cases, you may also enjoy the Silken Ivory used in the Ann Fisher medallion eyeglass kits. To start stitching with Silken Ivory today, visit us in Raleigh, Charleston, or online at Needlepoint.com.